Guys, this is Lenny Wahlberg. I'm a founder of Vigo Industries. We're here at the Kbis convention. As you can see, we have the most innovative products from shower doors, from kitchen sinks and faucets and shower bases. And we want you to come and enjoy the show and look at our booth and our products. Hope to see you soon.
We're at Vegas at our Kbis booth, showcasing our stunning products in the kitchen and bath world.
We brought our latest innovative products and our best-selling products to showcase at Kbis 2024.
Welcome to this expansive Vigo booth here at Kbis.
Here, first time exhibiting at this show, and we couldn't have been more proud, to be honest.